hello everyone. Today is, I have no idea what day it is. Okay, today is November 6th. Wait, what? No. Okay, hi everyone. Today is November 3rd. It's a Sunday and I just got done with my class. Well, I have one more in like 30 minutes, but I wanted to go ahead and film a little intro at least. But I'm gonna be talking about my room on semester at sea. I had my classes today. I took my last test for midterms and I'm feeling really good and positive, so this is gonna be a great video. But today I'm gonna be showing you my cabin on semester at sea. I am in a premium outside double. So basically what that means is it's a premium cabin, so I was insured just 2 beds, so double. And then also I was guaranteed a window. So this is her. She's also kind of big compared to the standard cabin. Maybe I'll show, also if you hear that rumbling, sorry, it's just the ship. But maybe I'll show a standard cabin in a different video. But yeah, I'm gonna show you my premium room and answer a couple questions about it. This is the outside of my door. And this is what it looks like when you walk in. I'm gonna turn the lights on though. Okay, so this is our door. It comes with 2 hooks. So we have like our big bags up there, and then Haley brought these magnets that hold bags as well. So we kind of have a whole array right there. And when you step back, you'll see that these are the closets. So this one is Kaylee's, and I'll just show you mine. So my thing doesn't let me close it, but there's my little closet. And I have snacks, underwear, bras, energy sticks, and then like athletic gear down there. And then my closet looks like a mess, but I swear it just, I don't know, it never looks great. And then up here I have 2 packing cubes, and then these are down there along with some gifts for my family. And then this one is our shared closet. So she has some of her clothes hanging up, and then we have our laundry hampers right down here. I have a little safe. My phone is in there, my old phone, and then some of her stuff as well as her stuff. And then these 2 are mine with some packing cubes that just help me organize my closet a little bit easier. And it goes back pretty far, so I'm not really mad at these closets. Although I am mad that that happens. I don't know how hers isn't, but then when you look over here, you'll see the bathroom mirror. So we do have like a full body mirror in front of the bathroom. Well, it's like the door. So when you open it up, this is what our bathroom looks like. Kaylee ended up bringing another one of these door hangers, so we hung up all of our toiletries and whatnot. And then we have our little hanging toiletry thing situation. There's a little trash can back down there. You just pull that open. We put our toothbrushes and toothpastes in these side things. Normal sink, normal mirror, and then we also have super zoomed in mirror right there. And then we have like this little shelf where we keep some of our other toiletries. And then our shower, which is pretty nice. Everyone gets the same type of shower, and it comes with like a clothesline, but you're gonna want to bring more. And yeah, kind of a good gig. Not everyone's is on a slant like this, but every room's a little bit different. And then we have Kaylee's bed right here with her little nightstand, and my bed with my bigger nightstand. And then I have the plugins and the phone right there. And then here's our little painting and our beautiful window that we paid extra for. So I won't open up any of her drawers or anything, but she does have one drawer and then like a little storage area underneath. And then she has a light switch for her own light right there. And then for mine, I have the light switch for that mirror as well as the main lights and my own right here. As well as I have a plug-in, and she has to use the plug-in over there. So it kind of just depends what bed you want, and then if you want the chargers or if you want the wall, you know. And this is my little nightstand area. I have my books right here, as well as this is from Belgium, and I put all my scrapbooking stuff to like receipts and whatnot in here so I don't lose them all. I have some gifts and my credit card receipt for last month, my AirPod Maxes, and then my little charging cable where I was just charging my camera. And then this is what it looks like below. So this first drawer, there's no like real way to organize it, but I do have my journal, my Kindle, mints, portable charger, my lotion, lip balm, glasses, and pills all in there. This one has my wallet, my nail stuff, eye mask, and then my printer, my mini printer is in there, as well as the little pictures for my scrapbook. Then these are my pills, which literally it sucks because I take them out all the time, but I have like melatonin, iron, prescriptions, fiber, malaria, all in there. Down here I have more scrapbook stuff, jewelry organizer, camera case, scrapbook stuff, and then those are extra pills and an extra jewelry thing. And then here I have like a first aid kit and where I keep my passport, and then slippers, yoga mat, in the beautiful chair. Here are more of those hooks that Kaylee brought. So I put my hat on there and then my neck pillow. And then we have this little bad boy, and that is right by our window. And here we keep like miscellaneous things. So these are all of my charging converters, travel necessities like hair stuff, body wash, mini face wash, laundry detergents. On this side it's kind of the same thing, except we have some games and our clothesline and her medicine. Well, it's a good amount for sure. Over here we have our TV, and behind it we have some cereal, peanut butter, remote, and then this is where our mini fridge is. So we have some snacks. Here's my ramen, more snacks, and then this is what's in our mini fridge. Kind of a great setup. We only have one drawer right here, and this is where we kind of just keep random stuff, as well as my scrapbook stuff and our blow dryer. So it's a good little extra storage thing. And there's our trash can, my backpack, a laundry bag that I need to put outside to get my laundry done, and then our little stool where you can sit and get ready at this beautiful mirror. This is where Kaylee charges her stuff, like I said, and then she has her bag and her hat hanging on the magnetic wall little hangers, and then we have the beautiful ship painting right there. There's our lovely room. I actually love it so much. It's become my new home. The chair. Okay, so now I'm going to answer some of the questions about this room. First off, I am in a premium cabin. So a premium cabin means that I was insured a double, meaning I have 2 people only in this room, so me and my roommate, and then I also was 100% guaranteed a window. Hear that rumbling? Please ignore it, it's just the ship. Oh my gosh, wait, it's getting loud. Usually that means, actually I have no idea what it means, I'm not even gonna lie. The first question I always get asked is about roommates. So you can go into it blindly and not pick your roommate, which a lot of people do, and they end up with really amazing people. My friend Christine did that, and her roommate Anma is like actually perfect. So yes, 100% an option, and you don't need to be stressed about it. But also you can pick your roommate. It's not a guaranteed thing. You both have to preference each other on the form that gets sent out, but Haley and I both put each other down because we talked via Instagram DMs before, and we got each other as cabin buddies, roommates, whatever. I've also been asked about the TV situation. Everyone gets a TV in their room no matter what, even if you have a standard cabin. And then on the TV, you can see where you're at on the map. You can see different news channels, I believe. And then also they have pre-uploaded videos, movies, and TV shows. And they kind of have good options. So they have White Lotus right now, Catching Fire, Anyone But You. Is that the new movie with Sydney Sweeney? They have like good new up-and-coming movies as well as like old ones. I watched The Shining the other day for the first time. But within each port, they take out some of the movies and shows and they put new ones on. So they kind of are updated frequently as well, so that's pretty nice. And I honestly had no idea about the TV beforehand, so you don't really have to be that worried about shows and movies. But if you want something specific, I would download it before on Netflix or whatever. you want to download it on. Another question that I get frequently asked about is the bathroom. Everyone gets a bathroom. Even if you're in a 3-person inside standard room, you'll get a bathroom, and I think the bathrooms are really good sized. You also get a shower, and the showers are chlorinated, like the water from the shower is chlorinated, but if you bring like chlorine hair masks, you'll be fine. Also, another pro tip is that the plugs in your room are European plugs, so make sure you bring that adapter, because that's the only thing they have on the ship, at least on the MV World Odyssey, which they switch out ships every so often, so just keep that in mind. Another thing I get questions about is regarding the room service, kind of like cleaning service, and that is already added in, so you don't have to pay extra for that, and they come every other day, and then they just make your beds, take the trash out, vacuum, clean the bathroom, clean the toilet. They do all the stuff that you don't want to do at home, so I love it. Like, my bed right now is made just because my stewardess came in and made it. Literally can't get over how awesome that is. Also, when talking about the different types of rooms, something I didn't know is that each room is going to be just a tad bit different. So you can see the paintings on the walls are going to be different in each room. The carpet's going to be different. So my carpet is blue, but there's also the red carpet. The amount of storage and space you have is going to be a little different depending on what you get. Actually, just depending on the individual room you get. But it comes with all the same like amenities, so it'll come with the hair dryer, 2 beds, the chair, the little desk chair, the mirror. It comes with everything that you would get, and like each room is the same in terms of what you get, but the sizing and the placement of it might be a little different, as well as I know people have like a couch bed rather than 2 right here, and usually with the couch bed, one's on one side and one's on the other. It kind of just depends where you get placed, which also is a gamble, but it's fine because every room's unique and good in its own way. So like my friend Marley sleeps on a couch bed and she doesn't mind it whatsoever. So you just have to get lucky if you really want something specific, I guess. As for like the floors, the way the ship works is the 3rd floor is for staff and crew members, I believe. The 4th floor, which is where I live, is all students. 5th floor, all students. I think there might be some faculty on there maybe, but not really that many. Maybe lifelong learners, I don't really know, but it's mostly students. And then 6th floor is the library, Berlin, and the Union. The 7th floor is the store, the salon area, and offices for the deans. And then the 8th floor, I believe, is Kino, which is the movie theater, and then a classroom, and it also has a bunch of these faculty slash lifelong learners slash ship kids, and then the 9th floor is just the pool deck. So hopefully that kind of puts an image in your mind, and you don't get a pick if you're on the 4th or 5th floor, but yeah. But yeah, I hope that kind of helps, and let me know if you have any other questions, because I'd be happy to answer them. And yeah.